Hi guys, Sai is here back with another video, and today in this video I'm going to talk about what is the changelogs of latest Magisk version 30.6. Sorry guys, I am too late to make this video, but don't worry, I'm going to cover everything from top to bottom in this video, like what is the update process of Magisk latest version 30.6, and if you're facing any issues like error while you're going to update your device, update your Magisk. So how to fix that issues, I will cover this all things in this video. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. So without any wasting of time, let's begin. Okay guys, talk about major changelogs. So first major changelog is boot loop issue is fixed in hotfix. Yeah guys, in previous update like Magisk 30.5, a lot of people's facing boot loop issue. This issue is fixed in Magisk 30.6, which is hotfix. Talking about some other important changelog. Now talking about second one is Magisk supports installing vendor boot partition. Yeah guys, now it supports in vendor boot partition. So now some people is confused. Now we need to extract boot IMG and patch it, or what we need to do? We need to patch vendor or what? So in simple words, you can for patching apply your full stock ROM or custom ROM. For example purpose, don't extract your ROM. For example, this is a custom ROM which I'm using in my device, but I'm not going to extract this ROM. Just I simply apply full zip file to patch it. After that, it will take that file and it will patch with required file, required partition image. After that, it will give you output a patched IMG. For example purpose, I select here, I select full zip. After the process, it will give me a patched Magisk IMG. Okay, so no need to worried about it. As we can see, the patch IMG is came out from full zip file. Okay, so okay guys, now talking about what is the update process of Magisk. Simply click on update. Okay, when you click on update, it will update automatically and close the app. Okay, now click on this Magisk update option, then click on install from direct. Okay, select this direct install recommended. Let's go. After that, the reboot option is came, then click on that reboot option. So it will reboot your device and successfully update it. Must your internet or Wi-Fi connected while you doing this process. Okay, I unlock my device. Now I'm going to open Magisk, and as we can see, the Magisk is updated successfully without any issue. Now talking about some important precautions before you going to update your Magisk. First of all, remove all modules which is flashed in your Magisk. So remove all the modules. After that, you need to do this. It's better. Okay. Now talking about one important thing, if you facing issues while you going to update your Magisk, if you facing failed issue, it's not going to update your Magisk. APK is updated, but the root Magisk is not going to update. Core Magisk is not going to update. Then you need to uninstall your Magisk. That means fully complete remove your root. Then you need to reroute your device with latest Magisk version 30.6. This is the method. This is the last solution. So if you like this video, then please like and share this video. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Goodbye. Take care.